Hey, I'm Odette Blacklock, and I wanted to tell you guys why I never cue belly breathing or teach belly breathing. Whilst a lot of people think belly breathing and diaphragmatic breathing are the same thing, by cueing belly breathing, we are further exacerbating this upper and lower crossed syndrome that most people have because they are seated for long periods throughout the day or just stand with really poor posture. So when we cue belly breathing, a lot of people already have lengthened, weak abdominals. So by opening up this area even more, this exacerbates that position. So we go into more spinal extension, cinching the lower back, pulling the pelvis further out of alignment, increasing that stress response because we're cinching down on those adrenals as well. So we continue to shorten our hip flexors, which pulls us further forward. Then we have to open up and fully extend the spine. So this weakens our diaphragm because we're breathing into the belly, not where the diaphragm is actually sitting. And your diaphragm is a deep core muscle. So weak core, tight jaw, weak foot. It all goes together because the body functions as a unit. So with correct breathing, which is what I love to teach because it's your foundation, it's your superpower, you can get back to really good posture and strengthen it with every single breath. It can help to calm your nervous system. Why? Because you have those two major nerves attached to your diaphragm, the phrenic nerve and the vagus nerve, which communicate what level of stress the body is in. And it will improve your core strength because the diaphragm is a deep core muscle. Also, when we think about the diaphragm, as it moves, it helps to move fluid around and through the organs. So you want good fluid flow like a stream, okay? We never want a stagnant stream. We want flowing water through the body. And this improves our cardiovascular health by delivering that oxygenated blood to all of the organs, the body. And, if we're not breathing well, things get stiff, things get sore, and they can also die because there's a lack of oxygen, right, being delivered to that area. So it all works as one. When you understand this, guys, life really improves because your foundations are strong. So learn more about your body, breathing correctly, and learn my particular methods of how I teach that in a really methodical order. And then you can apply this to all of your movements. And then we're going to go into dancing and seeing how a rhythmical breath can go along with the rhythm and the alignment and the attunement of your own body and just really feeling good and feeling at ease within your movements as well. So I'd love to see you there. If you have any questions you'd like to ask me face to face as well on the day, it's a great time to do it. And this is Sunday, the 19th of January. So great time to start for the new year. And we're going from 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. or maybe even longer. We're going to be chilling at the end. You can go mocktails, cocktails, watching the sunset by the beach in a beautiful venue. So I hope to see you there. Any questions, let me know. And also hope this little bit of information has also helped you as well. Much love, guys. Bye.